Hello everyone. I found this gadget interesting and just wanted to show it to you. This is a mini desktop cleaner which I bought on Amazon for 859 rupees. This is the box which has a small paper manual and the cleaner. It doesn't come with batteries, we have to buy them separately. The device looks cute, very comfortable to hold and feels premium in hands. This is the on-off slider switch. These nylon bristles in the bottom are very helpful to scrub dirt from the gaps which you will see in a minute. This is where we have to place the batteries. Twist, pull, place two AA batteries, close and twist again. Now watch the cleaner in action. Did you see how effective the cleaner was? You can use it to clean light dry dirt from small areas like desks, sofa, car seats, remote controls, laptop and external keyboards, etc. The cleaner did a good job in collecting the dust as well. It's better to clean the bottom and the mesh with water after a couple of uses. Regarding battery life, last 10 days I tried hard to kill the battery by overusing the cleaner, but I could not. The battery life should be decent in my opinion, as we won't need this cleaner for more than 5 minutes in a day. Overall, this is a cool addition to have like a toy at home, but not a must have. I have given the link for this mini vacuum cleaner in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.